If you are investing for the long term, one of the easiest ways to grow your portfolio without extra effort is turning on dividend reinvestment, also known as DRIP. In this video, I will show you exactly how to turn it on in Wealthsimple, step by step, and a few things to keep in mind so it works properly. Let's get into it. Start by opening your Wealthsimple app and logging into your account. Once you are in, you will land on your main portfolio screen. From here, tap into the account where you hold dividend-paying stocks or ETFs. Just make sure it is the account where you want dividends to be reinvested. Now look for the settings icon in the top right corner and tap on it. This will take you into your account settings. Scroll down until you find Dividend Reinvestment. Tap on that. You will now see the option to turn dividend reinvestment on or off. Toggle it on. And that's it. Once this is enabled, any eligible dividends you receive will automatically be used to buy more shares of the same stock or ETF. Now here is an important update. Wealthsimple allows fractional shares. That means you do not need enough money to buy a full share anymore. Even small dividend amounts will still be reinvested, which helps with compounding over time. One quick tip: make sure the stock or ETF you own supports fractional trading on Wealthsimple. Most popular ones do, but not all. If it does not support fractional shares, your dividend may stay as cash. Also, reinvestment happens automatically when the dividend is paid. You do not need to place any trades yourself, and if you ever want to receive your dividends as cash instead, you can come back to the same setting and turn it off anytime. That's it. Simple setup, but it can make a big difference over time. If this helped you out, make sure to subscribe for more simple, step-by-step investing tutorials just like this.